What if the driver in the bike accident flees the scene or doesn't have insurance? If you are riding your bicycle and a car strikes you in Virginia, only for the motorist to speed away or admit they have no insurance, the shock is compounded by uncertainty. Virginia does not require drivers to insure their vehicles, so a crash can leave a bicyclist facing mounting bills without an obvious source of payment. Yet the law still offers avenues to recover damages. Leaving the scene of a collision is a crime in Virginia. Drivers may flee because they are intoxicated, lack a license, or wrongly assume a crash with a bicycle is minor. Whatever their motive, quick action helps ensure justice. Witnesses often feel compelled to help and may record the license plate or follow the vehicle. Investigators can also use cell phone data and traffic camera footage to identify the driver. Because a hit-and-run motorist may reattach a loose license plate or remove other evidence, any delay can allow critical proof to vanish. You might wonder whether compensation is possible when the driver cannot be located or has no insurance. In many cases, the answer is yes. If you have uninsured motorist coverage, on your own auto policy, it protects you when you are hurt by someone without insurance. Underinsured motorist coverage, UIM, fills the gap when the at-fault driver's limits are too low. These policies often protect you as a person rather than just the vehicle, meaning you are covered even when riding a bike. Even those who do not own a car may benefit from a household member's policy because Virginia defines an insured to include resident relatives. If no insurance applies, a lawsuit may provide a judgment enforceable against the driver's assets or another responsible party. Certain steps taken immediately after the crash can strengthen your claim. First, evaluate your condition and seek medical care immediately. Some injuries emerge hours later and early records support any claim. If possible, collect photographs of the bicycle, the car and road conditions and obtain contact details for witnesses without discussing fault. Report the accident to the police and keep detailed records of all medical treatments and expenses. Notify your insurer promptly. Because evidence fades quickly and hit-and-run drivers may attempt to conceal their involvement, consulting a bicycle accident attorney early can help preserve proof and present a strong case. Understanding UM and UIM coverage is essential. Coverage is a component of your auto policy that pays damages when you are injured by someone with no insurance. UIM coverage applies when the negligent driver carries insurance, but their limits do not meet your losses. These protections follow you personally, so you can invoke them even when you are not driving a vehicle. Claims are filed with your own insurer, which then pays damages as if it were the at-fault driver. If the insurer denies coverage, a lawyer can present evidence demonstrating why benefits should be provided. Hit-and-run bicycle accidents are more common than many realize. Regardless of why a driver disappears, leaving the scene of an accident is punishable. Act quickly to preserve evidence of the driver's identity and negligence. Witnesses can provide critical information by noting a license plate or taking photographs, and traffic cameras or phone records may confirm their accounts. A skilled attorney can guide you through the legal process. Their role includes gathering footage from traffic cameras, interviewing witnesses and analyzing photos to establish that the motorist acted negligently and the bicyclist obeyed the rules of the road. Attorneys also help clients find appropriate medical care and advise them on what to say or avoid saying to protect their rights. They may negotiate with insurers, challenge claim denials and, if necessary, file a lawsuit. Acting promptly gives the lawyer more opportunities to secure evidence before it disappears. The dedicated team at Jennifer Porter Law, PLLC, law firm, serves bicyclists throughout Northern Virginia. Bicycle accidents frequently cause serious, long-term injuries. This law firm strives to help clients obtain compensation for medical expenses, lost wages and future needs. If a hit-and-run or uninsured driver has harmed you, contact Jennifer Porter Law, PLLC at 8001 Braddock Road No. 102, Springfield, Virginia, 22151. You can speak with a lawyer by calling 571-532-9070.